In this video, we'll guide you through the new and improved import process, designed to make your data integration smoother and more efficient. We've enhanced the import process with AI-powered automation, smarter data mapping, and an improved interface to save you time and reduce manual work. Let's walk through the steps. To begin, navigate to your project page and select a design. From the design page, look for the Import from Excel option. Click it to start the import process. First, click the Upload File button and select the Excel file containing your data. The system supports various formats, so make sure your file is structured with consistent column headers. You can import your own Excel files or use predefined templates for a smoother experience. Next, adjust the import settings. The project design and tool are already pre-selected. However, you can easily review and make changes. For example, if you want to create a new design instead of using the default one, pick the relevant Excel sheet if your file contains multiple sheets. Decide whether to overwrite the existing data in your design with the imported data, or to keep what's already there and add the new data alongside it. Once everything is set, click Next to proceed. In this step, match your Excel columns to the required one-click LCA fields. If you're using a predefined template, this happens automatically. These include name, quantity, measurement unit, such as kilograms, cubic meters, or pieces, and class, which is the category or classification for the material. If you're importing your own Excel file, you can save the column mapping, so you won't have to set it up again next time. Now, review your imported data. Check for correct unit assignments, proper classifications, unwanted rows that should be removed before importing. Make any necessary adjustments, then click Next to proceed. At this stage, one-click LCA will group related data automatically. Review the suggested combinations and make changes if necessary. This step ensures that similar items are merged efficiently. If you prefer some rows not to be merged, you can ungroup them. The new multi-selection feature makes it easier to ungroup resources during the combine step, as well as map or delete them in the mapping step. Now, one-click LCA will attempt to match your data with existing resources in its database. The system matches your data using these rules shown under Mapping Basis: exact matches of names or EPD numbers, your previous mapping choices, mappings from your colleagues, AI-powered suggestions. If the suggested resource isn't accurate, you can manually search and select a more suitable option. All the resources are identified here, but if there's any unidentified data, the system will flag entries that couldn't be mapped automatically. Please note that the data will be deleted if you don't assign a resource when you import. Alternatively, you can import unmatched data as undefined and map it manually later on the data input page. Once you've reviewed all mappings, click Import to integrate your data into your project. You will be redirected to the results page.